While the method of making rasgulla remains same, there are two distinct types of rasgulla. One is spongy rasgulla and other one is non-spongy rasgulla. Now let's check out the recipe. Take 1 liter of whole milk in a pan and keep it to boil. Keep on stirring the milk at intervals so that the froth is not formed on the top. Add 1 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. First add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and stir very well. If the milk has not curdled completely, then add 1 tablespoon more. As soon as the milk curdles, switch off the flame. The milk should curdle completely. Now pour the curdled milk in the cheesecloth or muslin lined strainer or in a bowl. Gather the muslin from the sides and rinse the chenna or coagulated milk solids very well in running water. Now squeeze the muslin with your hands very well. Remember, there should not be excess water or moisture in the chenna, as then the rasgulla will break when cooking. First mix the suji with chenna and then bring to knead. When you feel your palms becoming a bit greasy, it's time to stop. Now pinch small portions of the chenna and roll them between your palms to a smooth round ball. And to make the sugar syrup, I have added water and sugar. Now then gradually drop the balls into the syrup. You can serve the rasgulla now or refrigerate them and serve later. Until the next time, stay tuned with us, enjoy with us, style with us.